As 2025 comes to a close, it's time to clean up the mess I made over the past year and look at what's next. It's amazing how much residual chaos can come from creativity. It seems like for every project I make, there's a trail of debris behind me. Plastic bits, fabric scraps, and paint splatter. I would like to say that it's easy for me to sweep up, wipe down, and organize my workspace every time I finish a project. Or at least every time I leave the workshop. But I'm a messy person by nature, and so there's always a pile of something or other that gets left behind. And then the workshop becomes less and less inviting. So the end of the year is the perfect opportunity to reset and deep clean. I've only put out a few videos this past year. Some projects took a long time to finish, while the others were just casualties of procrastination and perfectionism. But I did start working on a sci-fi world building project, and in addition to that, I started writing stories to go along with these builds. As someone who used to participate in National Novel Writing Month and who wrote short stories all the time, I'm not sure how that got crowded out of my routine. But now I feel like I can work on something without worrying about if it's any good and just enjoy the process. So hopefully I'll be able to share some of these stories with you in 2026. I've got some really cool projects coming up in the new year, starting as soon as January. If you want to keep up with me, consider signing up for my newsletter at the link in the description below. It's the best way to hear about what I'm working on and for me to share my favorite new tools, tricks, and creators. Plus, hear from you about what you're enjoying lately. Most of all, I want to thank you all for tuning into my videos, as scattershot as they were this past year. I'm constantly surprised that anyone wants to see the weird ideas and projects that come out of my brain, but I'm so happy that you all keep showing up. Thanks for helping me keep going. I hope you all have a wonderful last few days of 2025, and I'll see you in the new year in a clean workshop.